Do massage guns actually relieve sore muscles? That is the question of the day. Today we are comparing what research tells us that massage guns do versus what the massage gun companies claim that their product does. We're going to compare research to promotion, and after we do all that, we're going to ask the question, is there a better option? Massage gun companies actually claim that their products relieve soreness, increase range of motion, decrease pain, help you to recover faster, repair injured tissue, and boost healing. But do they really? I'm Dr. Sean Hiller. I'm a doctor of physical therapy and a certified strength and conditioning specialist. Welcome to the Vulcan Vlog. First off, this video is not sponsored by any massage gun company, any company we mention in this video, we have no affiliation with. This is as close to an unbiased opinion that you're gonna get. Let's take a look at what some of the largest massage gun companies claim that their products can do. So here we are on therabody.com. We're looking at the Theragun Pro Plus, which is a very high-level Theragun, and you can see the price tag on it right here. But also, this is the claim. The Theragun Pro Plus can relieve pain and reduce tension plus soreness, recover faster, help you to recover faster, and help you to repair tissue and boost healing. Also, it can help you enhance performance, improve circulation, maximize your warm-up to reduce injury risk, and also prevent soreness from exercise. So it's gonna fully prevent soreness from exercise. That's what the claim is, prevent soreness from exercise. So I'm gonna give you all these different types of tools that you can use with the Theragun, different methods, thumb, standard ball, micro point, wedge, a bunch of different ways to drum on your body. So this is the claim of Theragun. Let's go to Hypervolt. All right, this is the Hypervolt 2 Pro by Hyperice. They've been around for quite a long time now. And this is their flagship product, I would say. So what are they claiming about the Hypervolt 2 Pro? So first off, it's gonna give you a great deep tissue massage. That's cool. We're gonna see some of that. It's gonna give you serious relief, deep penetrating relief to stiff muscles. Not bad. And then right here, yeah, so here we go. This is what we wanna see. 3 reasons you need a Hypervolt massage gun. It's portable and always on call. That's true. You can take it anywhere. Say goodbye to muscle fatigue. You can get rid of muscle knots and loosen up. It's amazing what you can do with full range of motion. This gun will give you full range of motion, and it's gonna help you optimize your workouts. This is the claim that Hypervolt's making. This is the Hydra gun.
Hail Hydra.
So what is Hydra gun's claim? Well, so it's gonna eliminate aches and pains. It's the quietest massage gun. You can do it silently. This guy has all these different attachments as well. Why choose Hydra gun? It gives you so many ranges, gives you different options, and we have some anecdotal evidence down here, case studies. This is their personal experience with the gun. We're gonna compare these to large systematic research studies in a moment. So out of the 3 companies we just looked at, we're gonna be focusing on the 3 main claims that you'll find whenever you do any search of massage guns across the internet. Pretty much each company claims these 3 things, and then we'll talk about a bonus one, and the bonus one is very interesting. But the 3 main claims we're going to talk about are: do massage guns help you recover? Do massage guns actually increase your range of motion? And do massage guns reduce muscle soreness? Those are the big 3 we're gonna look at today. I've gotta say this as well. Online, you will find it all over YouTube, all over the internet, all over blogs, what these influencers are saying about their massage gun. This is fine, this is great, this is just anecdotal evidence. This is one person's experience with their massage gun. This is not how we do good research. I want to see mass populations, mass studies. I wanna see systematic reviews. And that's what we're looking at today. A systematic review is a review that has taken multiple studies and summarized all of those studies into one easily read, sometimes not so easily read, but quantifiable research study that tells you this is what the masses are saying, this is what we're finding in this very objective research. That's what I want to see. I don't care about opinion, I want to know fact, what is actually happening. So we're going to look at 2 systematic reviews today. The first one is from the Journal of Functional Morphology and Kinesiology. And they're looking at the effects of massage guns on performance and recovery. You see the big word there, that is a systematic review. So we're gonna look at this. I'll put all the links for these reviews in the description as well, so you can check them out for yourself. But it looks into the claims of what massage guns are actually doing. So you can go through here, you can see what their evidence is. So this was the main conclusion of this study. The results of this study suggest that massage guns could be applied in order to improve short-term, range of motion, flexibility, and recovery-related outcomes. That's cool. In strength, balance, acceleration, agility, and explosive activities, they either did not have improvements or they even showed a decrease in performance. So they're finding in this study that massage guns have a short-term positive effect on range of motion, flexibility, and recovery-related outcomes. Those are the main ones that we're looking for in this video. So that's cool. Did have a negative effect on performance. We'll talk about that in a little while. Let's go to the next study. In the International Journal of Sports Physical Therapy, the effect of percussive therapy on musculoskeletal performance and experiences of pain, a systematic literature review. That's what we're looking for. So they go into the same type of concept. They synapse all of the available research and they start to look through it. What did they find? The results of this systematic literature review inferred that percussive therapy, that's what PT is standing for here, delivered by massage guns can promote an acute response in muscle strength, explosive muscular strength, flexibility, and experiences of pain when compared to alternative. So basically they're comparing it to a placebo. They do a fake treatment or no treatment at all. Interesting. So the other study found a decrease on performance. This study is finding that it may actually help a little bit with performance. So do massage guns do what the companies claim that they do? Yes. Massage guns actually help recovery, in that broad term. It helps range of motion and they can help reduce muscle soreness. They can do it. We just saw 2 systematic reviews claiming that in the short term, these massage guns can actually do that. So how are these massage guns producing their effects? Well, if you look at the research, one of the best things that these massage guns are producing is blood flow. So when you're percussing an area, when you're stimulating an area, you're going to stimulate blood flow to the area. Blood flow is always incredible because blood does what? It has nutrients in it. It carries nutrients to the area. Those nutrients are able to facilitate healing in the area. We know that. You're getting positive metabolites and hormones to the structure. Something else it's also doing is that percussive beat is actually stimulating the area electrically. So you're having an increase in muscle activation to the area, which is also a very positive thing. We've increased our electrical output to an area and we've increased the blood flow to the area. 2 very positive things. Range of motion is an interesting category that these massage guns are increasing. It's not always as simple as this causes an increase in range of motion. It's normally not that way. In the short term, there's so many things you can do to increase your range of motion, and percussive therapy, massage guns, seem to show that in the short term, they can do that. But is there a better option? Yes, and in fact, there are far better options for those 3 specific things: muscle recovery, range of motion, and to reduce soreness. On this channel, we talk about those 3 alternatives a ton. The first one, blood flow restriction, if you've watched any of our videos, we talk about it almost every time because BFR is amazing. To improve your recovery, BFR is the #1 recovery tool you can do. To reduce muscle soreness, BFR is another amazing tool simply because you're having huge amounts of human growth hormone dumped into your body naturally. So therefore it's going to help you recover and reduce soreness so much faster. Range of motion though, BFR is not going to help you with range of motion. You can have some debates. There's actually some research indicating that it can, but it's not the main reason why you're going to do blood flow restriction training. It may be a byproduct of doing BFR is increasing your range of motion, but it's not the main reason you're going to do it. There's better options. To do an active range of motion session with something like the couch stretch, which we have a video on, we'll put the link in the description if you want to see how to couch stretch and truly, in the short term and the long term, increase your range of motion and apply that range of motion to things like squatting, running, whatever your movement is. Couch stretch can help you do that, and there's other excellent ways to do active mobility to increase your range of motion, and that trumps all of this. It trumps BFR, it trumps E-Stim, and it trumps massage guns. Another option that is likely a lot better than massage guns is electrical stimulation. Well, if we're talking about recovery and we're talking about reducing muscle soreness, E-Stim has been around for quite a long time, and it's been proven by several studies that it can do this, and it can do it better than massage guns. E-Stim alone can also help you do that because it's increasing the muscle activation and it's increasing blood flow. And it's increasing both of those things more than massage guns are going to be able to increase it. So I'm just giving you 2 options that are better for recovery and reducing muscle soreness. But again, E-Stim is not going to do anything to increase your range of motion other than in the short term. And you can find studies for BFR, E-Stim, massage guns that are all going to show improvement in range of motion simply because those first 2 things, blood flow and muscle activation, are occurring. Those are going to increase your range of motion in the short term, but you can't rely on those. They're not an effective way of measuring if you're doing this for long term. So massage guns do what they're advertised to do, but there's better options for them in those 3 main areas we talked about. But there is one area that massage guns are better than BFR and E-Stim in that we haven't taken into account. And we believe this is the reason to get a massage gun if you're going to get one. And that reason is stress relief. Stress relief is the reason to get a massage gun if you're going to get one. BFR is not going to relieve your stress. In fact, it's probably going to cause a little extra stress in the short term. In the long term, it's gonna decrease your stress in the long term, but in the short term, your stress level is gonna go up because if you've ever done BFR, it's kind of brutal. E-Stim's the same way. The way we love to do E-Stim is crank it up, get a very high intense voltage running through your body because we want that muscle activation and blood flow, but it's also going to cause increased stress when you do it in that way. So it's not gonna be the best de-stressor either. You can use some lower forms of E-Stim and you can actually have some de-stressing, some calming effects with E-Stim in that way. That's not typically the way we're gonna use it. So we think massage guns trump both BFR and they trump electrical stimulation in the area of de-stressing. It can calm you down. It can relieve a long day that you had. If you're beat up after doing multiple workouts and you're at home and you're watching TV, you're trying to recover, having a massage gun can help de-stress your body and calm down your central nervous system. We think that's a positive effect that it can have. Are we gonna see this in the literature for massage guns? Probably not. So our answer to, do massage guns work? Yes. Yes, they do. Do they work to the level that the companies are telling us that they work? No. So overall, there's better ways to recover. There's better ways to increase your range of motion, and there's better ways to increase your performance. There's better ways to increase your recovery. But this is a great way to de-stress. Are there better ways to de-stress? Absolutely, but they're not as easily accessible as a massage gun. Saunas, ice baths, all of these things can help de-stress you, but they're not very portable. They're not easy to use. This is a pretty easy to use and portable device. We think it can be adequately used, and we stand by stating that you can use it to help yourself calm down and de-stress. That's our verdict. We're sticking by it. Guys, we have links in the description for all of these tools that we've talked about, and we've put down in the description a few of these massage guns that we've talked about if you would like to get one. So you can use a massage gun. We think you need to be selective in how you use your massage gun and be thoughtful in your recovery process and what you're trying to do, but we think they're a viable tool primarily to help you to de-stress. You can use it for some of the other things as well, but there are better options. Now it's up to you. You choose which option you want to do. We will put links in the description for all this, and you can decide which ones you want to get, which gear you want to grab, and you can use these recovery tools as you see fit for yourself. If you like this content and you want to get more of it, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on an opportunity to enhance what moves you. We'll see you guys next time.